So what do you got to shoot today?
Double bubble.
That'll kill you, man. Load it up. Let's see what it does. Bubblegum shotgun?
Not good for your teeth.
That gum is notoriously hard. It'll practically break your teeth. Let's see what it does if we shoot it out of a shotgun at our test dummy. Okay, keep on going. There you go. Damn it. Okay, keep on going. There you go. I don't know where's the entry. There must be the entry hole, exit hole through the foam head. Yeah, there's some bubble gum right there. You can smell it. Smells like bubble gum. Fatality. Even the wadding did some damage.
He has a cavity.
Most powerful bubble gum in the world. Okay, keep on going. There you go.
Tweakers.